Welcome to GardenBound. Many gardeners have been warned that watering during midday can cause leaf burn or be inefficient due to rapid evaporation. However, this advice may not be as accurate as it seems. In this video, we aim to debunk the myth and provide you with evidence-based insights into proper watering techniques. Understanding when and how to water your plants is crucial for maintaining a healthy and productive garden. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why watering in full sun isn't as harmful as traditionally thought, and how to optimize your watering schedule for the best plant health. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's dive in and uncover the truth about watering plants in full sun. The long-standing myth that watering plants in the heat of the day causes leaf burn is rooted in the belief that water droplets act as tiny magnifying glasses, focusing sunlight and scorching the leaves. However, scientific research has debunked this notion. Studies have shown that water droplets do not concentrate sunlight to the extent necessary to cause leaf burn. Instead, any leaf damage observed is more likely due to other factors such as pre-existing stress or pest issues. For instance, a study conducted by Dr. Gabor Horvath at Eötvös University in Hungary demonstrated that the likelihood of water droplets causing leaf burn is extremely low. His research concluded that the focal point created by water droplets on leaves is too diffuse to cause significant heat damage. Moreover, the water droplets evaporate quickly in direct sunlight, further reducing the potential for harm. Additionally, the concern about inefficient water use due to rapid evaporation is valid, but it is often overstated. While it is true that watering during the hottest part of the day can lead to some water loss through evaporation, the actual amount lost is not as significant as many believe. In fact, modern irrigation studies, such as those conducted by the University of California Division of Agriculture and Natural Resources, have shown that the difference in water loss between watering in the morning and during midday is minimal. Furthermore, watering in full sun can actually be beneficial in certain scenarios. For example, if your plants are wilting due to extreme heat, watering them immediately can help alleviate stress and prevent further damage. The quick absorption of water during the hottest parts of the day can help cool the plants and maintain their physiological functions. Understanding these aspects allows gardeners to make informed decisions about their watering practices. By debunking the myth of leaf burn and recognizing the manageable impact of evaporation, we can see that the potential drawbacks of watering in full sun are not as severe as traditionally thought. This opens up more flexible options for maintaining plant health, especially in regions where evening and morning watering might not be feasible. Watering plants during the midday heat, despite common misconceptions, can offer several significant benefits, especially in managing plant stress and maintaining overall plant health. One of the primary advantages is the immediate relief it provides to plants suffering from midday wilting. Wilting often occurs when plants lose water faster than they can absorb it, a common issue during the hot, sunny days. By watering at this critical time, gardeners can quickly rehydrate plants, restoring their turgor pressure and preventing prolonged stress that can lead to damage. Moreover, midday watering can help cool the plants and the surrounding soil, mitigating the adverse effects of high temperatures. According to research conducted by the University of California, Davis, applying water during the hottest part of the day can lower leaf temperature and reduce heat stress. This cooling effect not only benefits the plants directly, but also enhances the microclimate around them, making it more conducive to plant growth. In regions with high temperatures and intense sunlight, such as parts of California and Arizona, midday watering has been shown to improve plant performance significantly. For instance, vineyards in Napa Valley often employ midday irrigation to protect grapevines from extreme heat, ensuring consistent moisture levels and preventing heat stress, which can affect grape quality and yield. This practice helps maintain the delicate balance of water and nutrients necessary for optimal plant growth and fruit production. Another critical benefit of midday watering is its role in maintaining consistent soil moisture levels. Consistent moisture is crucial for plant health, as it supports steady nutrient uptake and root function. Watering during the day can ensure that plants have adequate moisture when they need it most, reducing fluctuations that can stress the root system. Studies from the University of Florida highlight that maintaining consistent soil moisture through strategic watering times can enhance root growth and overall plant vigor. Additionally, Midday watering can be particularly advantageous in sandy soils, which tend to drain water quickly and have lower water holding capacity. By watering during the heat of the day, gardeners can ensure that water reaches the root zone when evaporation rates are highest, reducing the risk of water being lost to deeper soil layers before the plants can utilize it. One of the most persistent myths in gardening is the belief that watering plants in the heat of the day can cause leaf burn or scalding. This misconception likely stems from the idea that water droplets on leaves act like tiny magnifying glasses, focusing sunlight and burning the foliage. However, extensive research has debunked this myth. According to a study published by the American Society for Horticultural Science, the likelihood of sunburn caused by water droplets is minimal because the droplets tend to evaporate quickly in high temperatures, and the focus of light through them is not strong enough to cause damage. Dr. Linda Chalker-Scott, a well-known horticulturist from Washington State University, also emphasizes that the thermal properties of water make it unlikely to cause sunburn. Water evaporates rapidly, especially under intense sunlight, which means it doesn't have enough time to concentrate sunlight on the leaf surface to a damaging extent. Furthermore, the cooling effect of evaporation can actually help reduce the leaf temperature, offering some protection against heat stress. Another common concern is that midday watering leads to significant water loss due to evaporation before it can benefit the plants. While it is true that evaporation rates are higher during the hottest part of the day, the benefits of immediate hydration for wilting plants often outweigh this drawback. In fact, practical experience and studies, such as those by the University of California, indicate that the amount of water lost to evaporation is relatively small compared to the volume that reaches the root zone and alleviates plant stress. Additionally, some gardeners worry that frequent watering during the day might promote fungal diseases. While it is important to avoid overwatering, especially in conditions where humidity is high, proper watering techniques can mitigate this risk. For example, using drip irrigation or soaker hoses to apply water directly to the soil rather than overhead can keep the foliage dry, reducing the potential for fungal infections. According to the University of Maine Cooperative Extension, targeted watering methods can help maintain plant health without increasing the risk of disease. Moreover, data from the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service supports the idea that midday watering does not significantly increase disease incidence compared to early morning or late evening watering. They suggest that plant health and environmental conditions play a more significant role in disease development than the timing of watering. Watering plants in full sun requires specific techniques to maximize efficiency and ensure plants receive the hydration they need without waste. Here are some practical tips to help you water effectively during the hottest parts of the day. Firstly, consider using drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses. These methods deliver water directly to the soil and roots, minimizing evaporation and ensuring that water reaches where it's needed most. According to a study by the University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources, drip irrigation systems can reduce water use by up to 50% compared to traditional overhead sprinklers while promoting healthier plant growth. Another effective strategy is to water deeply but less frequently. This encourages plants to develop deeper root systems that are more drought resistant and efficient in accessing soil moisture. The Colorado State University Extension recommends applying water until the soil is moist to a depth of at least 6 inches. This approach helps plants withstand periods of dry weather and reduces the overall frequency of watering sessions. Timing is also crucial. While it's perfectly fine to water during the hottest part of the day if plants are showing signs of stress, it's generally more efficient to water in the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. This reduces evaporation and ensures that plants have a good supply of moisture as they head into the heat of the day. However, if plants are wilting or showing signs of severe stress, watering immediately, regardless of the time, is beneficial. Using mulch can significantly improve water retention in the soil. Applying a 2-4-inch layer of organic mulch, such as straw, wood chips, or compost, helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Research from the University of Florida, IFAS Extension indicates that mulched soils retain up to 70% more moisture than non-mulched soils, making it a valuable practice in hot climates. Additionally, group plants with similar water needs together. This technique, known as hydrozoning, allows for more efficient watering by ensuring that all plants in a specific area receive the same amount of water. It prevents overwatering or underwatering of plants with different water requirements. According to the Texas A&M Agri-Life Extension Service, hydrozoning can lead to healthier plants and more efficient use of water resources. Lastly, regular monitoring and maintenance of your irrigation system are essential. Check for leaks, clogs, and ensure that emitters are working correctly. This ensures that water is distributed evenly and efficiently, reducing waste and ensuring all plants receive adequate hydration. The myth that watering your plants in full sun will harm them is just that, a myth. By understanding the realities of plant physiology and the science of evaporation, we can confidently water our gardens even during the hottest parts of the day without fear of damaging our plants. Effective watering techniques, such as using drip irrigation, watering deeply, timing your watering sessions, applying mulch, grouping plants by water needs, and regularly maintaining your irrigation system can ensure your plants receive the hydration they need to thrive. Embrace these practices to keep your garden healthy, vibrant, and resilient, no matter how intense the summer sun may be. Remember, a well-watered garden is a happy garden. Until next time, happy gardening.